is widely believed to be for the remembrance and mourning of the dead in the year, feeding the spirit of our ancestors, and to ask for their protection and blessing in the years ahead. We yokofo bo ajimantefa ana afasha yeshe ni 1996 afi apema hankura di ukunu ensia wadina no nisem etudwa no wasi we na wotwimua afasha yeshe na yeshe edikaye na nanam manyom ba bi ko ewo afi mu na yasa ahye ede ama ena nanam sunsun a amato na nanam wonsie do akoso asrom se omomo ye ho ban na omo nhyiran ewo afi a edi animu. The activities of this celebration of the festival mostly associated with the enjoyment and merrymaking makes us forget ourselves that we should also appraise critically our performance for the past year and to improve upon the performance of our previous year, which is also another major factor for the festival. Now, Okufubo Jimantefa Kasan was saying, "Sa jumedi na watwimua ene edihye sa afen ene enije ne ehurusie na enam ne to da bia na emeye nwu afie ho ne mum awase sa aka yenchi ne yehwe afie twemu ye moni bo aye bo abrabom ye modi bo aye boy ewo yasetrem na eno betima boan wa fasha ye hye se de be a afasha foforo a ye behye biem no ehun se de besi apagya ye modi mbo." The elevation starts with our individual lives, to our communities, and to the traditional area as a whole. Wasi said the bear you say impeja bia beabru en hyase keke e hyafte free ankura important potema yete ya hinnie ni mu nsem ene ya himman ni nyina. You will bear with me that there have been some achievement in some of the towns and villages in the traditional area. However, there is a wider area to be covered in terms of development. Monimi nyina baya dwen se okofo bo agimantefa se ohwe nkutu a ehye achim dane ne mpotema okutokuma nyina mu a ampa yetumpon akoyanim. Nanso monimi baya dwen se ye wo bebre ye efa mpuntuo ho a wose ye makutokuman efa ntuma pa efra. Achim Kotoku traditional area is blessed to have two district assemblies, that is the North and South District, covering all the towns and villages to benefit from the appropriate share of the government laudable common fund allocation to these assemblies. Sabrino, na Kotokumem, ye mensini mienu, eye etifi mensini, eye brim etifi, ene brim anafo. O see, nokre se mensini no, nkrutua ne nkrunkuma so hyase na ewo se ye nyina ye gitum se be primpunto ne ye dedam nkrunkui na aban hyehya wode aba se common fund allocation de yenchefa be womu no ye de be pre na ye pe mpunto djuma. I hope the district assembly will complement the government effort in the development of our towns and villages in the country by using the common fund judiciously. Wasim wujidie mapase mensiri mpanifo nso foto aban abo adia to se eye mensiri foto no wo mu de baye adwuma yie no mapebi aka ho na yetimi aprempuntu ediama kotokuman. Touching on peace and stability, I highly commend the government, the security agencies, the chiefs and the entire people of the traditional area for the peace we have enjoyed, especially before, during and after the 7th December 1996 presidential and parliamentary elections. Tabi no kofo bo agimantefa kasa afa bambo ene asumdue a yenya ewo memu se afi apem ahankron aduokunu ensia 1996 yeto aba eyi mampani ene mrahye sabena na yasafmafo mu nyina akọ mrahye bedwafie yeyi mrahye bedwafo na abatuo nim abatuo na chi ene na abatuo nim no yantia semboni bia na enya asumdue sabena na otimi se kutokuman na okofo boa gimantefa ehyefa president ebebi. I take this opportunity to congratulate the president and the government for having been re-elected to the high office for a further term of 4 years. Again, I congratulate all the 3 newly elected parliamentarians for the North Brim, Odan and Achimswedo constituencies and wish to advise them to be dedicated in the discharge of their duties for the government and their electorates. Okofu boy Jumantifa sa memfa kwanya we so na memo aban ene omampani a yayi ni sabre no no yo omampani dada jeje onsanyame ato nsafre no ene mrahye a yayuom no mu begina ya nem wa chimso aduro eye brim north na brim south about one peso aso wose memfa kwanya we so mfa futuo emma wom entu omofo se ye yayuom yi omfa no kuredie emna mesom omomman. Our sons and daughters living outside the traditional area also deserve congratulations for their individual and collective contribution in kind towards our development efforts. Yeah, this year so asabi bibinti omonte eye kotokumemu ha no makopi o mamanfo manso a omudi pa ede ababe boa no e wo se omosie bom abaso se omuyo mafamu die se de bia kotokuman ebetumpon. I appeal to all for unity, love and collective sense of purpose to enhance further development and achievement in the years ahead. Media de sede etumu nyinani mi se yemfa baako ye odo ene nkabom na ya moye homoden se yebetima ye adwumaden ne aprimpuntuo ede aba titru ene afia edi anim no. I again take this opportunity to wish you all a joyous celebration and happy prosperous new year. Afishia pa. Okofo po Jumantifa say sabre 1996 no na o hye nyina ye dene maye ayiko maye afishia pa. Tete Wobika Tete Wobikire. Tete Wobika Tete Wobikire. We ya bakwasem kese ya bakwasem a eni kwansa ye tutu na se ya bakwasem edika editie ebere ni nti ene mediokofo bo Jumantifa nanumu asem a oditu dwa a speech 1996